Alright, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the garage. So today, quick little video. I'm gonna be installing some Christmas lights on my truck. I already have some on there, and I'm just running an extension cord from the actual light to the plug in the bed of the truck. But I found these lights, Philips, and they're solar powered. These are my tie down racks or tie down points that go onto the Prinsu rack. It's just a little bolt that'll slide into the channel, and then it holds on with the tie down. But I bought an extra nut, and I'm gonna try and install it right there so I can eventually have it pointed out like that, and then connect it to this part of the solar panel, and it'll be on top of my roof rack and get sun all day. Okay, so to install this nut in this hole, I have two ideas. I'm either gonna just super glue it right there, but what I'm gonna try to do is use my heat gun, heat it up, kind of just like roll it and make it a little smaller. Maybe it'll fit a little better, but if not, I might just do both. Definitely heated it up, and it's a lot softer. It feels funny. Let's see. And it might. Okay, so that's a better fitment than it was already. Some super glue. But I did shrink it down enough that it's definitely can be held in place like that. But either super glue, you know what? I have a hot glue gun. I'm gonna use a hot glue gun. Just kind of do some tacks. So I just ended up hot gluing all around. I guess I shouldn't do that, but because I don't want it to stick to the table. But oh, there we go. That actually might work out pretty nice. Let's see if it'll still screw in. Like that. And it'll still screw out, which is perfect. Okay, so if you have a Prinsu rack, this is what I was talking about. These are the channels, and you can just slide the bolt through, and then it's usually for these guys, like where do you want to put your tie downs. So I ended up just going to the local hardware store and finding a bolt or a nut that fit the thread, and then that's what I did there. So this goes here, that goes there. That'll screw on like that. Now I have a mounting point for the solar panel, and I can just thread these guys anywhere on the rack that I want, and they'll stay charged or be on without having the car on because of the awesome solar panel. So I'll show you the finished product, what I was doing yesterday. As you can see, it's right there, middle of the roof rack, and at night they turn on and they stay on pretty much all night. And then found them at Target. They were like 10 bucks. They had some like LEDs just stuck up the bottom. I cut a bigger hole around them where the LEDs were, took the battery pack out, and just kind of, they're hard plastic, kind of just stuck it over my ditch light. That's how you make your truck festive as fuck. Cheers.